I think the blind spot that we have today is not knowing what's out there. You know, we don't know what is U of T researching, what is Mohawk researching on, and where can they help us? What are some of our SMEs researching? What are they developing? And I think on the other side, Mohawk, MAC, they don't know what the industry problems are. And so to me, it's that, how do we bring those together so that we can actually have a discussion? And that's the Advanced Manufacturing Supercluster. I look at it really as a triage spot, where if I'm a customer, I'm having a problem, I go there and I say, here's my problem, but I don't know who to go talk to. And the Supercluster will say, hey, there's somebody at Mohawk doing work on this, or Mohawk has some capability. Let me link you to them. Well, collaboration is important. Dofasco, you know, we say our strength is people, and we truly believe what sets us apart is the collaboration. And it's not just within Dofasco, but it is in our other circles with our suppliers, our customers, with the academics. And we have to be able to share. This isn't about IP and hoarding our IP. It's about sharing and making Canada a better place. We spend, you know, millions of dollars in Canada in technology developments and research, but what we lack is really applying that technology. So that is, to me, the step change that we have to make, and that's what part of the Supercluster will do, the Advanced Manufacturing Supercluster, is how do you actually take that research that's happening at Mohawk, at McMaster, at U of T, and really adopt it to industry, to make industry more competitive globally.
There'll definitely be quite a few opportunities. We definitely see areas within some of these advanced analytic opportunities, getting some additional expertise to come on our plant floor if we're implementing some of these really unique and novel technologies. Some things like augmented virtual reality, some of these very advanced technologies. We need people that are close by that can help work with our subject matter experts there. Both McMaster and Mohawk bring many new skills and leading edge research towards when we start looking at 3D printing, augmented and virtual reality, some of these very advanced analytic skills in that. Being strong partners of ours, we really want to engage with them, start looking at ways we can start bringing those skills and knowledge. They've got ready students ready to help us out there. So we're looking at a lot of these opportunities in both facilities to help us in some of these advanced analytics and advanced technologies.